If you're a fan of cucumbers, this one's for you. It's so satisfying and perfect for a low nickel snack. I'm coming to you from my kitchen and it's late summer. There's plenty of cucumbers still around and I've been eating this on repeat this summer. It's a feta spread that you can put onto your cucumbers and eat it like a snack. It's so delicious and really healthy. So let's get started. Okay, all I need is my small food processor. I use this a lot because I'm cooking just for me. And when you want to make something that's not a huge portion, a small food processor is really handy. So I've got it all ready for me. This feta spread really only has a few ingredients. So as you know, I like to keep things really easy. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm starting with is some feta. And I have about half a block of feta left, so I'm gonna just put that right into my food processor. You'll use about 4 ounces and you'll just break it up into a few little bits here. The food processor will do all of the work. Next, we will add about 7 Kalamata olives. 7 isn't the magic number. If your favorite number is 8, use 8. You can use 10, you can use as many as you want. I like 7, so that's what works for this recipe. And 7. Next, I'm going for the capers. I'll do about a tablespoon of capers in this. You'll add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil to that. You'll add it right to the food processor. You might need to add a little bit more as you go. You'll see what the consistency of the spread is. Okay, let's put the lid on and we'll make a little bit of noise here. Mix it up really well. Okay, it's looking like I need a little bit more olive oil, so I'm gonna drizzle in a little bit more. Let's mix it up some more. I have a little bit of salt and a little bit of oregano. I'm gonna add that in and mix it up one more time. I have my cucumbers here. Let's give it a try. So good. So there you have it. I can top all of these cucumbers with a little bit of the spread, and it's a nice healthy snack and low nickel as well. If you're looking for simple recipes that are low in nickel, subscribe to Everyday Nickel and I'll be back with more. Bye for now.